Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your incognito notifications completely silent on Chrome. If you've been distracted by those pop-ups while browsing privately, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps to keep things quiet and distraction-free. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your phone's settings. Everything we're about to do will be adjusted right here, so no need to open Chrome just yet. Once you're inside your settings menu, scroll until you find Apps and tap on it. From here, you'll see a full list of the apps installed on your device. Scroll down or search until you find Chrome, then go ahead and tap on it. This will open up Chrome's settings section. Next, look for notifications. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a menu where you can control exactly how Chrome sends notifications to your phone. This is where you can really fine-tune the experience. Once inside, tap on Notification Categories. This section allows you to choose specific types of notifications Chrome can send, instead of turning all of them off completely. You'll notice different categories listed, but the one we're focusing on today is Incognito. Tap on Incognito, and now you'll see different options for how it alerts you. To silence these notifications, select Silent. That's it. Incognito notifications will no longer make a sound, keeping your browsing experience completely private and undisturbed. It's a simple tweak, but one that makes a big difference if you like to keep things distraction-free and private while using Chrome's Incognito mode. Now, whenever you open Chrome in Incognito, you won't hear any pings, dings, or alert sounds popping up, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned your Incognito notifications to silent in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, be sure to try it out right away so you can browse without interruptions. Thanks for watching.